Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Jimmy Sequence, the original Sequence from South Florida. I am on my way to Orlando. Big sound festival, like 6 or 7 sounds on it. We have one Lauderdale sound on it. It was supposed to be Heartbeat from Fort Lauderdale. That was replaced by my virgin Hot Stepper from Fort Lauderdale. So I am on my way. I'm like an hour from the venue. I will try to record as much as possible, so you know we can see what's up. You know, the Sound System Festival is the new thing. This festival is put on by my virgin Acid Sound System, see? So we'll be recording and putting it out there. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I am putting the video on both of my channels. You know, I have the ACC Driving School and Sequence Sound channel, the original channel. I'll put this video on it, and I'll also put this video on the new channel, which is just a sound system. That one is called Sequence Sound. That one is brand new. I'm gonna need people to jump over there and subscribe to that channel, because I will only be putting sound system videos on that channel. Alright? So just go ahead and support that for me. Like I said, I'm an hour out from where I'm going in Orlando, so when I get there, I'll videotape as much as possible. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure if it's 6 or 7 songs, but I know it's a bunch of wicked songs, so it should be a good vibe. See? And again, I'll record as much as I can. All right. Catch you all when I get there. Alright, so I'm at the event, just got here. Haven't even been inside yet, so I'll go in there and see what's going on.
Sit down.
Now I don't have to think about it. I've never been loved. I only dream about it and wonder what it was. But now I think I know clear to me. You make me understand. I'm so proud to say I love you. So proud to be your man. I promise to never hurt you. Never make you cry. Oh no. Promise to never hit your word is born to last a year. 'Cause I know I'll keep you safe, keep you warm. I'll keep you satisfied. I'll be your sunshine in the morning. I'll be your everything at night. You told me what you wanted and I gave you what you need. I told you that I love you, make it good for you and me. I never make a promise that I can keep. You told me what you wanted and I gave you what you need. I told you that I love you, make it good for you and me. I never make a promise that I can keep. Ain't no way to get around this. Yeah.
Who's over there?
So is the food included? That's fine. Wait, is that somebody else? Oh, they got drinks.
Yeah, I said, respect. What are we doing?
How may I help y'all? How y'all doing?
All right.
Don't read it up. What you need, baby? What you have to do? Chicken, that's
And in Jamaica, I go smoke. No weed up there.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 big sounds. Don't know the name of the sound yet, but I'll figure them out as we go along. I know that one there is Hot Stepper. With the single 18. Hot Stepper sound. Acid song.
Young lady, be careful with the man I give you a drink, yeah? No. Anyway, we soon talk about the party.
Acid song. Lauderdale crew. Hot Step and Sound. The Lauderdale crew, you know. Sign it already. What's on here?
Yeah, cheat, I could be a fantasy. I can tell you got big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me. But I might let you try it out the easy.
Ready, man?
Some boy will not brother, much less my relative.
Never. Where I say you?
Relax.
You're there.
Leave them with your friend. The master put a fire upon a weak side. And them free time could I never get you down. Though they try to use it and abuse it. Leave them with your friend. They don't fight so long in a condition. And they could not get away. A job they stole away. Now the works is not them in them feet. Fire, yes. You and your sound can go to well. DJ Malam, you know I'm not them colonial spell. And all those foundations that they compel. Oh, right.
Today I'm feeling nice. Today I'm feeling nice. I say today I'm feeling nice. Say, Father, you bless me. Nothing can stress me. I was born in so much love. Thank you, mommy. I stay so humble and giving. People don't know how I live in, but I ain't got no worries, cause everything done paid already. I handle everybody. Now it's time to reward me today. I gonna make a difference. Everything done paid already. I handle my family. And now it's my turn. So I'm going on the road and spoil myself. Take a moment by myself. I need to pamper me, because in this life I work so hard for it. And I make so much sacrifice. That's why today I'm feeling nice. Today I'm feeling nice. I say today I'm feeling nice. Take a little jump cause I'm feeling nice. Take a drink cause I'm feeling nice. Take a little wine cause I'm feeling nice. Today I'm feeling nice. Father, you bless me. Although life might depress me, I was raised with so much faith. Thank you, mommy. Some people they rate me, some of them hate me, but I don't ever worry, cause everything done paid already. I handle everybody. Now it's time to reward me today. I gonna make a difference. Everything done paid already. I handle my family. And now it's my turn. So I'm going on the road and spoil myself. Take a moment.
Okay, so this song is being tuned by Mark Dragon, the great Mark Dragon, from back in the days, Inner City. Mark Dragon a tune a song. I don't know Mark Dragon, one of the wickedest engineer about the place. Blue Steel song right there. Hot Stepper sound. And the power, the self-powered sound, may say that be a wicked. And that is acid sound right there. Yellow and black sound, acid sound. My virgin them tell me that Yorkville sound I like hard.
pure sound.
Yes,
I
man.
say yo, respect. Lover's choice. Yo, hot stepper. Hot stepper sound. I say yo, respect. Yeah. Cheers to the engineer.
It's a downhill climb, and please don't feel sorry. The plagues will conquer you, yeah.
Some boy a be dead now, a gunshot now, in a them head now. Quick clock now, desperado kill yourself tonight. And if you put up the mind, jump and a be dead now, a gunshot now, in a them head now. Quick clock now, desperado kill yourself tonight. And if you put up the mind, the one you're hearing, 1 million miles away. Jump and a be people astray. Work them night to day, and don't give them the pay. Desperado rise.
God shall kill as long as he plays, and as long as he plays, sound shall die. Son, why you gonna die? We not tell no lie. If you try to taste desperado,
Somebody is screaming from a fire. Somebody help you. From this I don't wanna fall. Cause if you do, desperado won't catch you. Now take the whole thing from beginning. Press rewind and things will come revealing with all these hits. Fancy lights and glamour. Autograph to please your ego. Yeah. Look out, sound boy. It's gonna be rough. Look out, Foxy. I said it's gonna be tough. You're gonna feel in lost tonight. Desperado, so inside your life. All I need to hear is the champion sound. Desperado playing, champion sound playing. Cause it gives me sweet inspiration. And to tell you I've never felt this way till I hear desperado string up to play today. Love in the dance, man. Let me see the anthem. Love your brothers, my friends. Love your sisters. Love your brothers, my friends. Love your sisters. Now I must admit, desperado got them skanking, got them moving. Where the jump for down on 45, I watch the crowd as they come alive. The girls moving, desperado playing. Now I always want to hear desperado playing. Sweet and clear today. Love in the dance. Love your brothers, my friends. Love your sisters.
As I was saying, devices to the only one of our shop. Rastafari is the rules over all of the things, as I was saying. Yeah, man, Jamus to represent every time. This for all the sound. Snoop, big up yourself, Puppy, big up yourself, Blaze, big up yourself. Hey, Jabby. Hi. You know, as I was saying, Jamus representing every time. Yes, sir. Alright. Kill them Sonia. Kill them Claudia. Desperado kill them Sonia. Them jump on Sonia. Desperado kill them Sonia. Yes, we gonna kill them a Claudia. Kill them little idiot Sonia. Sonia, them jump on Sonia. Some boy they done gone far, far away. This parade no bet when you done them will no play. Send them a graveyard to stay. Every sound they done gone far, far away.
Hey,
This parade.
Desperado, you kill someone, boy. Yes, you do. Murder, trump, and free. Desperado, kill them easy. And I'm laughing of the music sounds, boy. Now jump and can't challenge me. There's some murder. It will lick the sound clash. Since your love come on like your bad. And then your love do it tough shot. Jump and we get good shot.
Watch out. Oh, let the word of time out and the meditation of the heart be acceptable in your sight. Everyone, the one on you, we sing. Music is a mission, not a competition. The sound of music cause confusion. She all the woman, them likewise the man. She know say desperado sound a real champion. Some boy, you must see what's some of them must see Saddam. But we not see no Gulf, we not see no Vietnam. We never work, but we mash up Ram Jam. Desperado don't mix up in a banda.
You know, as I would say, Jabu's representing every time. Yes, sir. Alright. Kill them Sonia. Kill them Claudia. Desperado kill them Sonia. Them jump on Sonia. Desperado kill them Sonia. Sweet and a killer them a Claudia. Kill them little Ila. Sonia, them jump on Sonia. Snoop us about the fire, for that jump on. We not take the chat from the old man. Because of them corrupt, the little dance with them idiot jump on. When we walk, we jump on and I jump on. Puppy just rock with the old man. Because them always stay up with them clans and plans will come true. Desperado, think you know can come clear. Mama Guyana from big again. No, no can compare. Mama Guyana from big again. Think you know can compare. Desperado so that kill them now. Baby them on the ground. Say even they pass over with his back against the wall. Try to test the desperado, I know I've no dopes at all. Even if I sound by, desperado so make them ball. Oh, heaven help them all. Desperado kill them all. Desperado kill them all. Desperado kill them all. Here's somebody about heaven help them all.
Time. Sophia Bill.
Time.
You're a man. Time. So after
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Desperado's 15 minutes. I just want to take the time out to big up some of the pioneers them there. Big up Mark Jordan, Inner City Sound. Yeah man, I'm a teacher, so yeah. Big him up same way. Big up Jimmy Metro in the house, Father Metro, you don't know Metro Media family. Real legend like thing, you know. Icons, pillars of the culture. Big up all of the man them there. Big up Mikey Culture in the house. Black Culture, you don't know. Big up some artists, Bada General, you know. Check out the new album, the thing name. Oh yeah! Yeah, that is what it's called. Just check it out. It's on all streaming platforms and all these things. And I just want to take time out and big up the Acid groundskeeping crew. I not lie, this and not even AstroTurf this now look on a natural grass is all string up on. My lord. That grass, Tiger Woods gonna shoot out 2 round goals on that grass differently, you know. I like it. One sound string up on the lawn. Not the gravel, the lawn. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Acid Sound. Their 15 minutes starts in 4, 3, 2, 1, now.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, big up to everybody that's here. Big up to the crew that are flying from the UK. The flight got cancelled, but they still showed up. Big up the people them from Belize, from the islands of Belize. They are here just chilling, enjoying sound system. You understand? So we're taking this thing to another level where we all can be gathered and play music and have our little fun and nobody take it personal. You hear Desperado just run off some dub plate a while ago? We know every man stop shouting up them cutlass. You never know, say look up how it sounds so bad, right? Come go out there and me investigate and me carry the best. Come into my place. So big up the people them at Stepper, call him last minute and he showed up. So at Stepper, thank you for that. Rhythm Master, I call him last minute. He showed up for that. So respect for Rhythm Master for that. And big up the whole Juggling Warehouse team that's here. Big up Neptune from Jersey, that's here. Big up Love Vibes. Big up, as we go along, we big it up everybody. I can't do it, my 15 will be done. Big up Fred Tate all the way from Philadelphia. Big up Ron. He had to go into surgery, but he said after this party, he might go into surgery. So Ron, thank you to drive all the way from Mississippi in your wheelchair for reggae music. You're not a Jamaican, but you support it, and that's what it's about. That's why it can't get any bigger, because some people are trying to keep the little sound down because they want to reign the champion forever. Bob Marley did his time. Peter Tosh did his time. So do your time and move out the way and give some young sound a chance to inspire. I've been here for
a while back. Some of y'all follow me, some of y'all don't. What's up, Mark? What's going on? It was my birthday, and for a present, I asked everybody to send something. It wasn't that I needed the money or anything like that. What I want to start doing is bringing the youth to us. We're not teaching the youth anything anymore. All they know is PlayStation. You know, they don't even get no exercise no more. They don't have nowhere to play like we did when we came up. So we got to start somewhere. We got to grab them some kind of way and do some kind of something to get them interested in what we do. So hopefully I'm starting when somebody else already started, and we all just join and do what we do. So now, with all that being said, on my birthday, I asked everybody that could to send $1, a penny, a nickel, $5, whatever you can spare. And there were some people that's not even in the music business, don't even know what we do. They sent money. And it was shocking to me that, you know, how I reach everybody, but only the people, it was certain people wasn't even in the sound business that said, here you go. They didn't even know what it was for. So today, everybody get to see what it was for. What we did was, Juggling Warehouse, Chris, I'm trying to think all the names, stuff like that. I can't think all the names right now, but Sound Culture, Juggling Warehouse, we got together and we helped somebody with something. Somebody that's building, somebody that's trying to do something. So we turn around and we grabbed something to help along with the system that they're trying to put together now. Noah, where you at, Noah? Everybody know Noah, but if you don't, this is Noah. And we wanted, I was trying to figure out what to do. I couldn't figure it out because so many people had already sent him stuff. So I thought I seen something he didn't have, so I said, here. Somebody got a knife, help him open that up. Don't cut Noah.
What got here, my boy?
Go ahead, grab. I got a box, grab this.
It's a nice house. I tell you.
That's money. That's rich. That's rich.
It's a nice house.
Lord, this comes from us. We want you to continue. We watching you. We paying attention to you. And we see what you're doing. And we appreciate it. And we want more young men and women to come out and do what we're doing so they can grow. Because we respect her. I respect, like Mark Dragon, for example. Mark Dragon is a legend in the game. I didn't know who he was until recently. He's a legend in the game. He does sound all over the world. But just imagine this for a second. If Mark, he's not a selfish person, but let's just say, if Mark just only did sound system, he didn't share none of the information. If Mark passed, all that goes with him. So why not share the information so it can keep on going? Because if we don't share the information, sound culture dies. Nobody knows anything. So if we keep on going and keep on doing this right here and keep on sharing information, we grow. We dying because everybody's worried about being number one instead of sharing that love. Last time I remember, music is about love. Let's give love. So I ain't gonna hold it up. Thanks for your time. Appreciate y'all.
Everybody a round of applause. Everybody a round of applause. We do this for everybody. I did not do this just for me and my sound. For everybody. Everybody that's here. So, legendary man Dragon of the house, Mark Neptunes. Everybody I'm gonna call later on down the road. So right now, where is Tarantula? Let's go. Let's get the show on the road.
As you wish, Your Grace. Big up the governor, you know? Big up the governor. That's it, big up yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna keep this thing going because I want every single sound to get a chance to play at least 2 or 3 times. So I'm gonna try and keep it as punctual as possible. This is an exclusive, no? Of course it is. Of course it is. Your 15 minutes starts in 4, 3, 2, 1, now.
Check. Audio check 1, 3. Exclusive wave from Long Island City, New York. Let me play some tune, Shabba. Let me see how the sound sound. Play some tune.
Blow it up. Big up Baldwin, boy. Blow it up. Big up fucking Baldwin.
Man, I be a one dog.
On the nation, we go down. The perplex, the flex, make my book the flex. I'm going to get this respect can make me get wild. Running a million in a city, now smile. Particular sunny park, I'll run 20 miles. Now still your mother, you daddy know your child. In the city, we're wicked man like Dragon and Mark and Block Rocks and Danny and Wally. We start till our time, we shoot the Danny. Some guys support 40 smoke coke. General B use smoke strictly, Danny. Yeah, wicked man from our dog guns with a guy like a dozen bro. People dead. In a city on the borderline. Big man kill them with the polish no shine. And we pump it out people them same time. West for Benji, not a mercy. In a city we go no child, logic no giant. Church disrespect with somebody like another. People dead. In a city on the borderline. Big man kill them with no polish no shine. And we pop it out people them same time. Risk of Benji, not a mercy. In a city we go no child, logic no giant. Church disrespect with somebody like another. Give me a talk to kill his junglist. Work just up in dead. Grenade farm drivers when me tell them splurge. Why take a joke and try sell me shot? Who roll it up and tell me to the world? Mackie level up out, know your skull. Burst, big piece of gold, gully down in a deep.